Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I would like to express my idea pitching entitled Don't Eat Fast Food.
Have you heard that phrase? You are what you eat. Fast food restaurants like KFC, McDonald's, and Burger King are everywhere, and you can find one in every corner of the city. The growing popularity of fast food, especially among college students, is a matter of concern on their financial, health, and psychological aspects. The convenience of buying and eating fast food seems to be the main reason for indulging in fast foods. We need to release the fact what the foods that we eat affect our life sooner or later. Fast food has become part of our life because of its convenience and easy civility, but the health hazard associated with fast food should concern you. There are some problems or issues why consuming fast food is terrible. First, fast food contains chemical flavor. This means that fast food is inferior in nutrition. The prepared part is added with preservative to make it last, and preservative is very harmful to our health. About all the food in the fast food industry is processed, so much of the flavor is destroyed. Next issue. Fast food is unhealthy from its uses of too much oil. Fast food need to be the quick cook and lots of oil are needed. Fat and calories are difficult to digest in our body, and undigested fat and calories will be accumulated in our body to cause too much oil in our body. The third problems why consuming fast food is not good is because fast food can swing your mood. Over sustained periods of fast food eating, blood circulation drops due to fat accumulation. High fat and sugary meal can cause your blood sugar levels to rise and fall highly quickly. When this happens, your mood and energy levels rise and fall extremely quickly. So, how do you want to stop eating fast food? I suggested some solutions for you all to try to slow down and then continue to stop taking fast food in your daily life. As solutions to stop eating fast food in daily life are you must eat healthy fats. One of the most common nutrition myths is that fat makes you fat. Your body needs fat. However, there are many different types of fat. You should avoid trans fat and limit saturated fat, but healthy fats like nut and avocado will help you feel full and reduce cravings. The next solutions to stop eating fast food are shop the perimeter. The perimeter of the grocery store typically includes the produce, dairy, meat, and fish sections. This is where you will find natural foods rather than highly processed food products. As a justification for the solution, we can reduce the risk of disease that can harm us. Among the examples of dangerous conditions are diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, and others that can be fatal if not treated properly. As summary, constant and regular consumption of fast food can lead to an overall unhealthy condition. Although fast food tastes good and eating it once in a while is fine, eating fast food too frequently may result in health problems. These conditions are the effect of some of the ingredients in fast food which contain many artificial food additives, can lead to significant health effects and swings your mood as well. That's all from me. Thank you.